For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to stop advertisers from getting your information, looking at what you're viewing, another one of those videos, and this is a new one. They keep changing things and adding things, and it's technically a Google end of everything, so this should work on any phone. But a little preface, I'm using, of course, the Samsung S26 Ultra, One UI 9 Beta 3. Again, I don't believe that will make an issue because this is a Google thing. So let's get right into it. So first off, go into settings, and we're going to scroll down to Google services because it's a Google service. So all services, and then ads. Now this is new. Manage info used to show your ads and measure ad performance. In other words, look to see where you're going and send that to people so they can get where you're wanting to go, and give them free advice on what to sell and what not to sell and where to get your information, and etc., etc. So let's go right into this. So ad privacy is the first one. Customize info apps used to show your ads. Show you ads. Okay, so there's three of them. Ad topics is the first one. So click on that. And yes, I have mine off. It was on. Ad topics. Topics of interest are based on the apps you've used recently and are used by apps to show you personalized ads. You can block topics you don't want shared with apps. Android also auto-deletes topics regularly. While this feature can be turned on, you may not see a list of topics until the feature is fully available and apps start using it. Oh, how nice can you be? And etc. So had it on, we want to make sure you keep that off. Okay. So next is app suggested ads. So app suggested ads, apps you can use can determine what you like and then suggest ads on other apps. That's real nice. You can block apps from making suggestions. Android also auto-deletes apps suggested data regularly. While this feature can be turned on, you may not see a list of apps until the feature is fully available, blah, blah, blah. So we want to make sure that that one is off. So we don't want to allow app suggested ads. These people want to advertise and get my information. They can contact me and pay me to get their information. They're not going to get it from me going around on the internet and going to a website and basically spying on me, because that's what it's doing. They're spying on you. Okay, ad measurement, I have that off. Ad measurement, apps and advertisers can request information from Android that helps them measure the performance of their ads. Wow, I didn't know I was paying them to do that. Ad measurement data is deleted regularly from your device. So I have that off, and then let's do this one, reset measurement data. Okay, so now ad measurement data was off. Android protects your privacy, sure, by limiting the information apps can share with one another. Reports are sent with a delay to protect your identity. They still get it. And how do we know that? How do we know they're not putting our name to it or putting a number to it and sending it in, and that number corresponds to my name or your name? So we don't know. It's just information they shouldn't have. They shouldn't be even allowed to get it. Your browser may have a similar setting. If the ad measurement is on for both Android and your browser, a company may be able to measure the effectiveness of an ad between apps you use and sites you visit. Your browser history is kept private on your device, so make sure that's turned off. So those things, and again, I'll go through these ad topics of interest based on the apps you've recently used and how frequent you use them. Middle one, app suggested ads, apps you can Apps, you can also determine what you like based on how you use them, and add measurements. Apps you can use to ask Android for information to help them measure the performance of their ads. Android lets apps collect limited types of data. So I'm getting upset here and getting tongue-tied. So yep, turn all those off. It's my suggestion. Unless they're paying you, then turn them on. But obviously that's not going to happen. So until then, I'm not working for Android, I'm not working for Google, and those don't need to be on, in my opinion. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.